Hey everybody, it's Charmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another get ready with me, starting with my eyebrows done and my eyelids prepped, and I'm going to be using my new favorite palette, and this is the Warriors palette from Juvia's Place. It's this pretty light bronzy brown colored palette. So I'm going to start with this brown color first, and I'm just going to use that as my transition shade. So I'm going to work this into my crease, a little above my crease, and just add a little color and dimension back to my eyelids. Next, I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, and I'm using this brick brown color, and I'm just going to start blending that into my crease. Now I'm going to go back into that Warriors palette, and I'm going to take this dark brown almost black eyeshadow, and I'm going to start working that into my crease and just deepening my crease even more. I kind of wanted this to be a smoky look, so yeah, I'm just going in with that dark brown color and working it into my crease. Then I'm going to go back in with that brown color just to make sure that the brown doesn't get lost too much. Now I'm going to take some concealer and cut the center of my eye, going for kind of like a halo look. As y'all can see, I'm getting better with my cut creases. This one I did not struggle too much with. So using that Warriors palette, I'm going to take this top gold color at the top, and I'm going to start packing that into the outer portions of the cut crease. And then I'm going to take this lighter gold at the bottom, and I'm going to pack that into the center of my eyelid and just blending it in to the outer corners with that other gold. And then I'm going to take whatever's left on my brush and just kind of blend that brown into the gold so that it's not too harsh and that everything blends together seamlessly. Now I'm going to line my lash line with just a black gel liner. I'm going to add lashes as well, and then I'm going to do my foundation off camera. I will be doing an updated foundation routine, and I'm going to do that in a separate video, so I'm just going to skip my foundation for now. And so here's my face already done, and I'm going to go back into that lighter gold from the Warriors palette and use it to highlight. These colors are so beautiful. They look beautiful on the eyes, and they work as good highlighters as well. So I'm taking that gold that I used in the center of my eyes on my cheeks, and then I'm taking this champagne color and just highlighting my bridge bone, my brow bone. And now I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash using that brown color that we used earlier, and then I'm also going to pop some black liner into my lower lash line. I'm going to use some Benefits They're Real mascara and add that to my lower lashes. And that is pretty much it for my face. You guys know I love me a good sultry eye. So now for lips, gonna line my lips using my dark brown lip pencil. And then I'm gonna pop a little of MAC Snob into the center of my lips, and it's time for a new one. But then to top my lips off, I'm going to go in with NYX with their dual chromatic lip gloss. And this is in the color Fair Play. And it's a very pretty iridescent pink gloss. And that is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you ladies next time. Bye.